Hello everyone, welcome to this new series dedicated to AP Precalculus. My name is Rami and I'm excited to guide you through some key concepts and problems that you will encounter on the AP Precalculus exam. In this series, we will break down various AP Precalculus questions step by step, making complex topics easier to understand. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to reinforce your skills, this series is designed to help you feel confident and prepared. So let's dive in and start tackling those AP Precalculus problems together. Once you open the Blue Book application and sign in using your College Board student account, you will then navigate to the Practice and Prepare section. From there, you can access a variety of test previews and practice materials to help you get ready. The figure shown in the graph of polynomial function g. Which of the following could be an expression for g of x? As you can see, we have a polynomial. This graph on x and y axis. So then g of x. And this is a polynomial. And one of those choices could be or can be an expression for g of x. Before looking to those answers, let's just see or remember together, those are the roots of the polynomial, roots of the polynomial. Yeah, as you can see, those points cut or touch the x-axis at those points. Right. Then if we return back to those answers, as you can see, there will be x negative 1, x plus 1. So it's likely this one could be, we are talking about this choice, x negative 1 or x plus 1. We know that this x equals 1. This is the positive x. So this should be x equal 1. X negative 1 equals 0. We just move 1 to the left side. And we know that x negative 1 is the factor form of this root. Return back to here, we have x plus 1 and x plus 1. So we can eliminate those answers. So we have left just answer letter A and answer letter C. What about 5 and 8? As you can see, this one is closer to 0 than this one. So this should be 5 and this should be 8 by logic, yeah? Then this root, x equals 5 for the same answer, plus x. So we are in the positive. X negative 5 equals 0, the factor form x negative 5. And here, let's choose another color. X equals negative 8. We are in the negative axis of x-axis. So move this here. X plus 8 equals 0 in the form x plus 8. Right. Those are the factors of our polynomial g of x. X plus 8, x plus 8. Right, x negative 5, x negative 5. All right, that's gonna lead us to what are the differences between those two answers. Here you can see this is the multiplicity. This multiplicity is 1 and here is 2. What is the difference between these two factors in terms of their multiplicity? X negative 5 to the power 2 and x negative 5 in choice number. This is in A and C. Right. If we just write the x and y axis, and we know that here x equals 5, and also here, this is x-axis, and here is 5. In this choice, if the multiplicity is even, as you can see it's even, then the polynomial will touch the factor, up and down, or down, right? Up or down. In the other case, if the multiplicity is 1 or odd, then the polynomial will cut the x-axis at that root. And if we return back to our graph, it's clearly appeared that the polynomial touching the x-axis at that root, which is x equals 5, then our correct answer is C. And that's how we complete solving this question. I hope you found some new insights and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with your colleagues and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content.